Hey guys, I am back, and I have some important news to share. So, the first part of the news, or the first part, is I've reached 50 subscribers. So I have to make a subscribers special, 50 subscribers special, and then the other important news is what's going to be happening tomorrow. So tomorrow, this LG washer is going to be in the garage. It's out of this laundry room. Because, as you all know, I've been saying how horrible this washer has been. And then this dryer is good. This is a keeper, but this washer is going to be put up for sale. So, yeah. So the washer that's going to be replacing it is this Kenmore High Efficiency Washer. So I request you guys not to call this washer crap or junk. Kenmore. I request not to call this junk because I honestly really like this washer. Has a dispenser drawer. Has the nice, what I would call, high profile wash plate instead of low profile. And I forgot I was making sure it was working after I unplugged the board, because to do a project last night on this. So, and just to let you guys know, this wash plate acts like a spinning washboard. It basically is that design, except it has fins. Except it has fins instead of like little whatever it's called. So this is the lid from the Maytag Bravos I used to have, and this was the outer tub from the Bravos, because all you guys know, I scrapped the Bravos, the Kitchenmore. And then I also made homemade detergent. Oh yeah. This white lid here is the lid that came with that machine, but I wanted a window one, so I put the Maytag, the one from the Bravos, on here for now, because the Whirlpool Cabrio version, the glass seal that goes to the Whirlpool Cabrio belt drive is the correct size as that white lid over there. So yeah, tomorrow morning I'm going to the process of taking the LG out and bringing this washer in is going to happen tomorrow morning. And I have an Instagram account, so I'm also going to post pictures and short clips of the process on my Instagram account. So yeah, I'm super excited for this to happen. I'm super excited to have a top-loading washer inside my laundry room. So, yeah. Sometime on eBay, I'm going to get the right size lid that's glass. So, yeah. Oh yeah. So when I got the Kenmore High Efficiency Washer earlier this summer, it did not come with this bottom, like this base and tub components, because the other one I've had issues with, the shells over there's the outer tub, the spin drum's up in my room, and then this is the control panel that came with that washer, like the tub components and stuff. So yeah. And then I put that top on, but then I wanted to put that one back on, and then I found out the board went out on that, so I had to replace the tops again and put this one back on. So, yeah. I also have a Maytag wash plate in there because I like the performance, and it's made with a different and better plastic. A spin drum. Oh, what else was I gonna show? Oh, there's some detergent over there. Oh, yeah, and when I have done some water bottle bombs recently, not with vinegar and baking soda, but I pump it up with a bike pump. I make a cap with a car tire valve. I pump it up with a bike pump like 40 psi, and I whack it with the sharp end of a hammer. But I didn't do it that time. I just kept pumping and pumping till it just bursts. And oh my God, it's so loud. And then the spin drum from the Bravos is up in my room. Oh, my room's like right up there. So yeah. And that spin drum from the Maytag Bravos. Oh my God, that thing was heavy. That big boy was heavy. So yeah, I have a bunch of parts. Oh yeah, and let me turn this light on. This Frigidaire crown is on Craigslist. So if you'd like for $120, someone did contact us about I did get contacted about this once, but if they don't come, well, if they don't come, they don't come. So this is on Craigslist for $120. There's a shell from that other, or there's I'm tired. There's all my bottles I explode. They're all Dasani bottles. Because Dasani, what they do, they have these nice strong caps with thin plastic bottles. And I like that because I could trust the cap to stay on there, but then it's also easy to crack the plastic bottle open. So win-win for me. So yeah. What was I gonna show? Or what else was I gonna show? I don't. I was gonna go work on some irrigation stuff at my neighbor's. I was gonna repair a leak in the pipe, even though they're already blown out and it's not sprinkler season anymore. They want me to still come and do it, so I was gonna do it this weekend, but I can't because, as you could see right there, snow. That's what I use to carry big loads of laundry from the laundromat. Oh, I cannot wait to wash my clothes again in the laundry room because there's actually gonna be a washer that actually cleans in the laundry room. So yeah, that's probably it for the video today. So see you guys later. Bye.